do some bumping for this guy over here. Oh my God.
Stretch him all the way out.
Where's the...
Oh, and your butt cheeks.
Oh, there's a nutsack one too. I don't think it's on this side.
That was the 4-point.
Oh.
It's air actuated.
Ha!
It's so fancy.
Pretty neat.
It's cool.
That's some ingenuity right there. But what's the plan here? What are we gonna go do?
We're just gonna see how streetable this Turbo 400 is.
Oh, okay.
This is the first time it's been on the street.
The paddle shifters.
And the paddle shifter is pretty cool. So we're just gonna see just how streetable a Turbo 400 and a S550 really is. The air conditioner works, the whole deal. It's I don't know, 67 degrees outside. Drive it to get coffee or whatever else you could want.
I can't hear you.
Oh, you can hear me.
He said, driving to get coffee or sit on these nuts.
Sit on these nuts in a storage unit. It's pretty loud, but the exhaust is right there.
Those mod butter stuff, they just sound weird.
They do sound weird. These race brakes, they're the squeaky boys. Transbrake button.
You gonna do some bumping at this red light? Do some bumping for this guy over here. Those guys are looking too. Yo.
Just making friends in the race car.
Well, you just made that guy's day, so
Good. Maybe it'll be on his TikTok.
that's what race cars are here. Make everybody's day a little bit better. Going on the highway. We don't have overdrive.
What's overdrive?
Something we don't have.
400 RPM at 60 mile an hour. That is plenty.
All right, we'll go 80. It's not so bad.
$3,000 at 75. It's gonna get warm quick, but yeah.
This feels like we're going down the river in your boat. It's humming along. We're not even going fast.
70.
What are you doing with that?
I was just seeing where it was set at, so we were putting this bitch on kill on the highway. I'll get up here, turn around, and see what she'll do from a roll.
Oh boy. Better figure out how to tighten this seatbelt up. That dude was just staring at us the whole time. His girl, who was driving, didn't look over once. Sorry, dude.
She doesn't know race cars.
If she didn't look at this car, you need a new girl. That's plain and simple.
Yeah. She doesn't know what this is or appreciate it even a little bit. You don't got you a car girl.
I'm taking my hat off because I think it's gonna fly off probably. You wanna do this with the windows up or down or what?
Probably up.
Or then I can put my hat back on. stayed in it. I think if you had let it actually grip up, it would have started taking it to the nearest. Probably would take us into old Carvana there. Carvana's empty.
Is it?
Yeah, there's only a couple cars in there. I don't know, people are freaking like buying cars on their phones because of all this quarantine stuff.
Maybe. People are scared, I'm telling you.
Oh, here comes Chance with his, must be borrowing his grandpa's car today or something.
I think so.
I don't know. Chance knows the deal. He might look like a douchebag, but he is. He's a nice douchebag, though.
Just paints the lines.
You can call me a pansy if you want, but I hate this car.
It's pretty scary.
I don't like riding in it when I wouldn't even drive it and try to floor it like this. It's useless.
I gotta give us a thumbs up.
Here you go, have one back.
I mean, it's turned out pretty good. It went 165 in the quarter on this setting. So it's not turned up all the way, but it's...
So this setup in it right now will trap 165. What was that on the dyno roughly?
About 1300.
Okay, so a 1300 horsepower Mustang, the 1300 horsepower Mustang is completely useless on the highway.
From a 60 for sure.
We'd probably have to go in like 85 with some warm tires for this thing to stick.
Yeah.
I really believe that.
At this power level for sure. It hates life, but it's a lot of attention.
I think it needs a transfer case.
Ooh, all-wheel drive Mustang, that'll be a first for sure. It's I don't know if I can turn it down.
You shut the boost controller off. How much boost would it be on then?
4 pounds, which is nothing.
Well, we could at least make a pull to test the paddles.
Yeah, we could. Yeah, I don't know really how to. Well,
Which one of these is power? I'll just pull it out.
I don't have a switch for the boost controller. It's just on a key on source, and then if I turn the CO2 off, then the paddle shifter won't work.
Oh, dang! It's hot in here again.
Yeah, I was gonna try to turn it down, but it's kind of a process to turn it down with the ramp, the way the ramp's set. Chase wants to know it will not hook 1300 wheel from a 60.
I'd be surprised if you could hear anything he's saying for this entire time. That little church mouse whispering over there.
Well, you know, I don't have a loud voice.
You're just trying to make noise, and you're like, you're just holding it back. Just what?
I don't think it'll ever hook 1300 wheel from a 60-year-old. We'll have to ramp it in super soft. And right now it has the track ramp, which is pretty aggressive, because it was hooking up pretty well at TX2K.
Well, if we ever get to the point where we're trying to ramp it in to make this thing work from a roll, I'm not riding in this car. I'll follow you, and you know, I'll do my 60-year-old next year's and see if you can keep up with me.
Well, it's not fair. You have a transfer case and 2 other powered wheels.
But I got I weigh like a bazillion pounds.
Well, that helps with traction.
It does, but it's still a bazillion pounds. Maybe you should weigh a bazillion pounds.
I mean,
Why do they make race cars so light and then complain about traction? It's like,
because you can go faster with less power.
yeah. Well, what good is all this power if you can't use it?
Essentially useless. It works at the racetrack, and that's what it was built for. That's the best part. No clumsy cords to tangle when you turn the wheel. It all runs through the factory clock spring.
Yeah, that's the key to this whole thing. Is there's nothing back there. We did some super trick stuff to get the Transbrake and the paddles feed to work through the clock spring. What do you? Oh,
I don't know if
get back in the first. Oh yeah, chop the charge pipe off. Oh, you freaked that guy. I was going all slow now too. Oh dang.
Broken it right there.
So streetability wise, I think the 400 is pretty good.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
It's not, I mean, if you were gonna drive, you know, an hour down the highway, it would get annoying.
Yeah. If you're just trying to cruise it around, cars and coffee, you know, do some slow cruising to your race spot or Mexico or whatever.
When it comes to the evils of a race car, I really think that these seats are worse for streetability than this transmission.
These seats aren't that bad.
What?
These seats aren't that bad. They're Kirkis with the covers on them. They're not terrible. They're fixed back racing seats, so they're not made to be super luxurious. They're just made to keep you planted in the event of a wreck.
Well, yeah, I'm not saying they're not useless, but if you're gonna drive a car, like if somebody were to drive this car every day, I think these seats would end up being more annoying than having a manual valve body 400. At least for me.
Probably. And there's also the door bars. I mean, you gotta climb over the door bars. So that's part of the, you know, the bolting cages that we do. They're removable door bars, and the door bars swing out. So if you do daily drive the car, you can take the bars out and not really worry about them until you need them for the track or whatever. This cage is certified to 850, so it has to have welded in door bars, I believe.
I don't think it has to for it doesn't have to for 850, but beyond that it does.
Yeah.
Those are loud.
Yeah, those are terrible.
My door bars are not, or they're swing outs, but it's like a certified type of swing out.
Yeah.
God.
These are terrible. Yeah, that's the drivability of a 1500 horse plus Mustang. You're only on.
This thing is a death machine from a 60 roll.
Did fry the tires?
Absolutely.
Insane.
He said absolutely.
Sketchy. You get up on the boot and pick the car up, and then it'd blow them off and pull right. So anytime we'd hit it, it would leave.
Yeah, it's just like
Solid black.
wall.
We did see Chance driving though.
In his car or which one?
In the.
In his grandma's Cadillac.
Yeah, I don't know why he doesn't have the Mustang on today like that.
Oh, I can smell the rubber.
It was sketchy.
Smell the rubber?
It's on the last setting we had at the track, so 165 mile an hour setting. So probably 1300 or so.
And these are what, 315?
As big as you can fit.
315, 50, 17. So that's a big tire. If it doesn't stick with these, it's not going to stick with anything.
Sketchy. I think air temp was 90.
That's not bad at all.
I like how we did all this work to the trunk and didn't open the trunk for PRI. Was the transcooler not on that whole time?
I thought it was. It's dripping fluid. I bet the overflow was fine.
It was still cooling. Air's going past it.
Not like it should have.
Are we 2 for 2 maybe on
No.
wounded transmissions this week? Can we drive your car, Tanner?
No. It's already hurt.
You dropped the valve.
Yeah.
How about Wendell? Does your transmission still work good?
For now.
You want to go do some neutral bombs?
Let's do it.
Join the club?
Let's do it. Gotta fit in with the crowd, right?
Did Chance send you that video?
Chance did, yeah.
Play it.
In the group.